At Heatcraft Refrigeration Products, we are continuously expanding our industrial refrigeration equipment offering to meet the diverse and growing needs of the cold storage, food distribution, and food processing industries. The Magna industrial refrigeration product line is Heatcraft's latest innovation, representing the ultimate in engineering and manufacturing capabilities, the ultimate in range of industrial-grade, long-lasting products, and the ultimate in lead times, warranty services, and project-specific support.
So Grady, thank you for joining us today for this exciting new launch of a brand new product line for Heatcraft. You've been in this industry in commercial refrigeration for 30 plus years, and a lot of the experience has been focused on the industrial market segment. Right, so with all of that experience behind you, we've been talking about launching products in this space for the last several years now. So what's the genesis of Magna? Why now?
Yeah, it's an exciting time for us. We've been very successful in cold storage with our commercial products for a number of years. That's been a focus for us. But as we went to some of the industrial contractors, it was evident that there were certain parts of the market that we weren't able to reach. So we did a lot of questioning, a lot of asking the contractors about what is it that you would really like and what can we bring to market, which is where the Magna started and where we are today.
So let's dive a little deeper into the feedback that we got from the industrial contractors, right? They've got a unique set of needs that we could not fulfill with our commercial products. So what exactly were they asking for?
Some of it's basics. They needed larger capacity systems. They needed evaporators much larger than we have traditionally manufactured. They needed more airthrow. They were looking for the ultimate in robustness in heavy equipment with longer life cycles, all of which we've incorporated into the Magna product. So I think those were some of the key things that they looked for there, and we're very excited about now offering those to these industrial contractors.
Now, obviously, Heatcraft's not the first entrant into this market. We've had other companies offering similar products in the past. So why Heatcraft? Why should we be the preferred choice of the industrial contractors?
I think we have a few things there. One is our aftermarket distribution is world class, over 3,000 locations around the U.S. And the ability to leverage that as we move forward with Magna for the aftermarket support, I think will be unique for us in the marketplace and a real plus for our contractors. Also, Magna's coming with a 2-year warranty. So we have a very strong, robust product. We're very confident in it. And we're going to back that up with a 2-year warranty for that very reason. Also, I think we're going to do some things beyond just the product itself. We're going to offer submittals with full P&ID drawings, with full electrical drawings, along with our customer service support, and some other things that we think is going to bring really the best solutions possible for our customers.
And I think the other key differentiator is going to be just, we've got everything, right?
Yes.
Offering all kinds of products, condensing units, evaporators.
Exactly. Leveraging off what we do very well. Not only do we have the standard products and evaporators and condensing units, but we have parallel rack systems, both with reciprocating and screw compressors. And we also continue to grow in the natural refrigerant market as well. So it makes kind of a one-stop shop for these contractors to say, regardless of what the need is, we can give you a standard offering or we can do a customized offering as well.
Exciting days indeed. So any last thoughts for the audience?
I think, we're very excited about Magna. It's the first launch, as you mentioned, in many, many years for Heatcraft, and really excited about have products that are really designed for this specific market segment and to go with it. Very excited to bring them out and looking forward to it.
Great. So Grady, thank you for your time. I appreciate you spending some time with us talking about Magna. So folks, now we're going to switch over to deep dives into the products themselves. So we've got Ben Picker, who's our product manager for Magna. We also have Don Ford, who's a senior trainer here at Heatcraft. So they're going to dive into the guts of the product, open up panels for you, get deep and dirty into the products themselves. Over to you.
Magna unit coolers all come delivered on these heavy-duty brackets. These brackets serve a couple purposes. First, they protect the unit during shipping, and particularly the bottom of the unit. Second, they aid in installation of the unit. By keeping the entire unit bolted to the skid during installation, it's easier to maneuver into position. Simply remove these 4 bolts after it's installed and drop the entire skid and the brackets away from the unit. The mechanical and electrical cabinets on either side of the unit are accessible through large hinged doors. Once inside the cabinet, you'll find that there is ample room for easy access to the components that are installed, as well as room to install additional components, and access points and knockouts are available to help with the installation of those additional components. The drain pans on Magna warehouse unit coolers are insulated and double-walled to help prevent condensate from freezing inside the pan. They're also made of aluminum, so as the pan hinges, they're not as heavy and easier to move. The units have an overhang, which allows condensate that may form on the outside of the unit to drip down into the pan rather than dripping down onto the floor or any products that are below the unit. A drip tray is installed in between the coil and the drain pan. The tray helps efficiently remove condensate. It also acts as an air baffle to prevent air from coming up through the drain pan. Here on the back of the unit, you'll see the hinges for the drain pan. These hinges allow the whole pan to open, which makes cleaning and maintenance easier on the unit. All 30-inch fan models have hinged access panels for the fan motors. All you have to do is simply remove the screws from the side, and then the whole door panel will open. Once the panel is open, now you see you have full access for easy maintenance of the fan blade and the motor. To ensure a long, dependable service life, all of the hinges for the fan access panels are mounted to these reinforced angle brackets. In addition to the standard totally enclosed motors and the optional washdown rated motors, we also offer some external rotor motors that are available as well. These motors mount to the door panels, and just like the other motors, the door panels still remain hinged so you can open them and have full access to clean the coils inside.
Magna is truly the ultimate in industrial refrigeration. This is a virtual tour of the Magna Dual Vertical Condensing Unit. What you see here is truly industrial grade and intuitively designed. You will note the distance from the unit base frame to the bottom edge of the coil housing has been increased to allow more space for service access. The Magna design includes heavy-duty equipment lifting lugs. Magna's dual-door e-box is a NEMA 3 rated enclosure. A closer look reveals the wiring and component arrangements. All wires are fed through a series of chases, and component wires are labeled and marked. There is also a phase loss monitor to enhance component protection. Additionally, all phases are color-coded so that each phase connection can be easily identified. There is space to accommodate a variety of motor controller options as well. There is also a handy 115-volt duplex outlet to accommodate service tools and to power maintenance equipment if needed. Magna is equipped with an LED work light which incorporates a backup battery that works even when there is a loss of power to the equipment. Magna is designed with service in mind. There is a total of 3 compressor compartment access doors, 2 on the end and 1 on the side of the compartment. Each door employs a heavy-duty dual latch system and has removable hinge pins to allow complete door removal for easy access to the compressors and seal system components. Magna units can either be parallel piped or piping can be circuited separately. The unit shown here is parallel pipe with an optional blowout suction accumulator and a coalescing type oil separator. As we move to the fan cells, each are hinged and have gas struts to support them. The unit shown here has rail-mounted motors. However, units can be ordered with external fan blade assemblies as well. The entire cabinet is made of heavy-gauge galvanized sheet metal.
We hope that you found this video both informative and helpful. If you'd like to learn more about Magna Industrial Refrigeration or have any questions, please visit heatcraftrpd.com/Magna today. Magna, the ultimate in industrial refrigeration.